Sea level rise is especially prominent to low-lying coastal areas. If the coastal area is too low and close enough to the ocean, it will be underwater in the near future. A place that is in danger because of this is Charleston, South Carolina. The sea level has risen there by 10 inches in the last 70 years and has gotten worse recently, now rising by an inch or two every year. Charleston is a town with beaches and beachside food shopping and entertainment. The coastal infrastructure is in danger though because of sea level rise. Due to global warming, glacial ice is melting and adding more water into the oceans. Also, the ocean expands as it heats up, which increases the volume of water in the oceans. Since Charleston is only 20 feet above sea level, it is especially vulnerable to the ocean levels rising. If sea levels continue to rise, the parts of Charleston closest to the water will be underwater. Residents of these areas will be forced to move, and infrastructure in these areas will be reclaimed by the ocean. The only way sea level increases can be minimized is by reducing global warming. Global warming is caused by excessive greenhouse gases trapping heat in the atmosphere. If greenhouse gas pollution can begin to recede, sea level rise may also slow down. The areas closest to the ocean, though, are at great risk because of the speed of sea level rise in Charleston.